Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you guys along with me while I decorate my entire house for Christmas. It took us a couple days to finish decorating the whole house because Elena and I were actually really sick with a cold at this time. So it just took a lot out of me to decorate everything all at once. Plus it was easier to do everything in parts and sections in my home. The first thing that I ended up doing was going through the box that I had in my basement and going through all the decorations from last year just so I can refresh my memory and not overbuy things because as we all know, decorations can get really pricey. We took out the tree first just because I actually hate putting up the tree. I hate flocking it up and fluffing it and stuff like that. This tree I got from Walmart last year, and I do want to get a bigger tree because I feel like I want it to take up that entire space next year, but for now this is okay. We actually got Elena her own Christmas tree and we put that in the dining room because she's really excited about the little ornaments that she can collect. So we did that the day before and I didn't film it, but we just needed a tiny star to put on her tree. So that's what we're doing now. And she was so excited. It was so cute. And then I went ahead and put the stockings up where they went last year. And by the way, I did film a holiday house tour last year and I will link that down below because I am going to be using a lot of the decor that I actually DIY'd in that video. So if you're interested, go check that out. I started taking things off my shelf that were already there just so I could start with a clean slate and have more room for the Christmas decor that I was going to put on there. I wanted to look very simple and clean. I didn't want it to look too cluttered. Then I kind of started playing around with the decorations and I really thought I was going to put everything up that night, but I started feeling like complete crap. So what I ended up doing was just putting up all the ornaments and lights and finishing my tree so I could get that out of the way. And this is what it looks like the next day. I kind of just took everything off and kept what I wanted on the shelves. The next video that I will upload will kind of go more in detail where I got certain items because I never pay full price and I hate spending a lot of money on decor or seasonal decor. So make sure that you have that bell turned on so you're notified every single time I upload a video, especially if you're trying to do everything on a budget like I usually do. This right here was actually my favorite part of the whole thing. I got a lot of the houses from the Dollar Tree and I might do a DIY in the next video that I will upload. I'm really excited about this DIY because I've been trying to do this since last year, but I couldn't get my hands on the little houses from the Dollar Tree because everyone bought them all up at my store. So I made sure to buy them really early this year. If you can get your hands on the little nutcrackers that they have at the Dollar Tree this year, I definitely would. That one right there is from the Dollar Tree and I was looking all over the place for them and there was only one left. So I felt really lucky and so happy when I got it. And then this right here is probably my favorite find that I bought this year at the Target dollar spot. It's basically just a frame and you can interchange the sayings and photos that they have in them. I think it brings like 4 double-sided photos and I feel like every year it's going to look completely different. I think it was only $5, so I definitely fell in love with that when I saw it. I got so excited. And I also feel like you can DIY a bunch of your own cardstock photos or something and you can change them throughout the year. So I think that's what I'm going to do and just leave it on the shelf, and depending on the season or the holiday it's going to say something different. Now this little section of my home I usually always decorate seasonally. If you saw my fall decorate with me video, I did have a bunch of pumpkins and stuff on there. Now bear with me because it took me a while to actually come up with something that I actually liked here, just because I was struggling with it looking a little too cluttered. But I really liked how this area in my home turned out, especially with the pop of red. This is probably the most color that I have throughout the house with all the Christmas decor. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to decorate in my kitchen for Christmas. I just didn't want it to look too cluttered, and I didn't know if I was going to have enough decorations. But what I ended up doing was putting that tree right there that I got last year, and then I did a simple DIY where I put extra ornaments and pine cones in a vase. And then I think that Santa was from TJ Maxx. And I added some final touches around the house. I put that Christmas decor sign right there, which was from Target Dollar Spot. And then I added a few pieces in the bathroom as well, because we do host an annual Christmas party. So I want everything to be nice and festive. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed how everything turned out. I don't go all out with a huge amount of decor. I like things to be very simple and clean. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that button down below, and I'll see you guys next time.